Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix iPhone screen won't rotate. First of all, slide down the control panel and click to turn off the lock icon from here. If this way won't work, then go into App Store and tap on your profile icon from the top right corner. Then scroll down to Apps and make sure all of the apps are updated to their latest versions. If any of them have a new update, click to update it. Then the third way is to go to your phone settings and tap on General from Settings. Then go into Software Update from General. Make sure you have the latest version of your iOS, so if there are any bugs or errors, it will get fixed in the new update. Now to check the screen rotation, open up YouTube. Search any video you would like to watch and then tap on full screen icon from the video you are watching. Then try to rotate your screen in both left to right ways, and there you can see it's now fixed. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.